You've started a lawsuit. You've filed the documents necessary to start it. You've now received the answer from the attorneys who represent all the people you have sued. What occurs next? The next step is to set up a scheduling conference with the court. Why do we do that? Because the court requires that the court requires that we notify the court what's going on and that we set up a specific schedule as to when things are supposed to happen. We have to exchange certain documents and authorizations, permission slips, so that the other side can get your records. The defense has to provide us with certain documents within a certain time frame that the court sets up. In addition, the court will also set a schedule as to when your question and answer session is going to be held. Importantly, a deposition is not an opportunity for you to tell your whole story. Why not? Sometimes clients come in, they say, you know what, I've been waiting for such a long time, I want to tell these people exactly what happened and then move on. Well, that's not the purpose of a deposition. A deposition is to answer the questions that are being posed by the attorney or attorneys for the people you have sued. So, for example, there's a big difference between somebody asking you, Mrs. Jones, tell us what happened. And over the next 5 or 10 minutes, you go ahead and give a long narration about what it is that occurred, as opposed to an attorney asking you specific targeted questions. When did it happen? Where were you going? Where had you been coming from? What time of day was it? What was the weather like? What were you wearing? Things like that. Answer only those questions with certain guidelines that we'll give you when you come in to prepare you for your deposition. Well, that's it for the next series of videos that describe what happens next in the lawsuit process in New York. By the way, if you found this information helpful, you know what I'm going to ask you to do, right? You see that button below? Press the like button. Why? So that all of your friends on Facebook and YouTube can get the same benefit that you just got. And if you have legal questions, what I want you to do is to pick up the phone and call me. You can reach me at 516-487-8207. This is what I do every single day. Or you can reach me by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.